Oh, thank you. Mommy needed that. Mommy's earbuds don't fit in her ears. They fall out.
Yeah, that has a little ear holder thing.
Oh, that's awesome.
And it doesn't have the thing over your head either, so.
Santa did really well so far with Mommy. That's awesome. Yeah.
What you doing, buddy?
Here's one for you, Parker. You wanna open this?
Another present?
What is this? Oh, here's a good one for you to start learning with. This is more for Mommy and Daddy.
Who's that on there?
Potty time.
Who's that on there?
Hey, who is that? What's that? A potty.
Potty, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, Dad.